friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friend, today I will talk about Acer's world's latest 16-inch OLED laptop. So friend, Acer introduced the Acer Swift Edge SFA16-41, the world's latest 16-inch OLED laptop, and it's designed to help maximize the productivity and creativity demands of recent hybrid workforce, and it is powered by AMD Ryzen PRO 6000 series and AMD Ryzen 6000 series processor. Incorporate the Microsoft Pluton security processor shipped by default and to help defend against increasingly sophisticated attack. And friend, it also features a 4K OLED display supporting 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut and 500 nits peak brightness for cinema grade visuals. Android is powered by AMD Ryzen PRO 6000 series and AMD Ryzen 6000 series processor, and it is equipped with support the performance demand of go-to application as business need, and power user get exceptional processing speed and smooth responsive that accelerate their productivity and collaboration with up to 8 high performance Gen 3 plus cores based on advanced 6nm process technology. And friend, it showcases the standout 4K OLED 3840x2400 display with cinema grade 100% DCI P3 color gamut support, brilliant 500 nit peak brightness, and less than 0.2 millisecond response time, providing a sensational range of lifelike colors and sublime image clarity. And friend, it also features narrow bezel with 92% screen to body ratio and has VESA display HDR True Black 500 and UV handheld eye safe display certification for an extended and comfortable viewing experience. And it also supports the next generation in advanced connectivity needs, and it also offers Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless connection and file sharing and a smooth 4K streaming experience. And it also includes a generous offer for essential ports such as HDMI 2.1, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports with fast charging capabilities, 2 USB Type-A ports, and audio jack, and taking portable productivity and convenience to whole new level. And if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $1,500. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.